Alright, we're gonna start the engine. We're gonna turn on the rear washer. It works, right? How about the front? Nope. Well, let's take a look. Holy cow! It's leaking somewhere. Ooh. Oh, it's right here. All chewed up. Okay. Let's go ahead and replace this guy. We got 10 mil. Oh, there's. Okay, so we don't have to go all the way down there. We got connector here. There you go. Kind of dangerous. Oops, there we go. We're just gonna go use this one. Ah, there's another clip over there. Yep. Try not to break it. There we go. Here. Oh yeah. Okay. We got a whole 9 yard. But we need this long. Right there. By the way, here's a part number. Now you're gonna go transfer this thing. Hopefully it's still gonna hold in place. Alright, I thought I do have some of this, but I do not. I think we can just reuse this guy. There we go. It's right there. Okay. Then just match this guy. Should stop right there. That should be good. And lock it in place. Ow. There we go. I think we're good. Okay. Pinch this guy. Hopefully it's not gonna drop it. There we go. Ah, sweet. Now, just plug that thing in. Uh-oh. Is it gonna be hard? There we go. Plug it in. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. Where is it? Oops. Plug this back.
I mean, I can't be mad about it because, you know, it hit me. I didn't pick it, but...
There we go. Now we're gonna go secure it.
Exactly.
You're gonna hold it? Yeah. You know what? We'll split it. There we go. Sweet.
Tech line call tells that they fixed it.
I think you're done, guys. Awesome. Ah. Oh, where is it? It's right there. You in there too.
We gotta stop going. Hey, mama,
Yeah.
come on, do it. I like it a lot more when it's their shot. Hey, I'm all stuff. Fucking harness or something over a pot. What the fuck they're looking at still. You do like me by any means.
Hey,
We getting close to done?
yeah,
Awesome.
yep. All right. So, I also replaced the cabin filter, pads and rotors, and plus the brake system. Now, let's see if we actually fix it. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Cool. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.